Why the hell did you had to bring me here in this creepy cave? You're acting like you did not hear me.
I was the one who wanted to come here, so don't think about complaining about it.
I know they could be strange creatures lurking around here. And I am not going to let you explore and get killed by something.
How about you just go home and just let me explore this cave?
I am not letting anything happen to you.
Too late.
Well. It looks like you're already putting yourself in danger after hearing that creepy sound. So what are you going to do about it? Yeah, that's what I thought. And you should know that I am smarter than you because I should probably get out of here as well.